Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to introduce a very advanced PDF editor software which can help you to do many things in PDF file. So the best software today I'm going to share with you, that is called Systweak PDF Editor. So friend, here you will see that this is the best software for PDF editing and PDF making software. Okay, so here friend, you will do many things, like you can edit PDF, you can convert PDF, you can merge PDF, and also you can sign your digital PDF over here. Okay, so here I will give you the complete tutorial about it step by step. So today's tutorial, we are going to merge PDF over here. Also, we will do how you can easily edit PDF over here, how you can easily insert images and all. Okay, so this is very basic tutorial today I'm going to share with you on this software. So keep watching. So friend, first thing first, here we are going to create a PDF. Okay, so what we will do, simply click on this create PDF option which is available on left hand side. And here friend, you can see that blank PDF is showing over here. Okay, so now friend, we are going to share with you how you can easily merge PDF. Okay, so first thing first, here you will see on the top merge PDF option, and second option you will see over here the tools. When you click over here, then you will get this merge PDF option. Okay, then simply click on it, and here you will get one option to add PDFs, and here we are going to click on this files. Friend, here you can do two things. Here you can select a simple PDF files, and here you can also select folder where all the PDFs are stored. Okay, so right now we have separate 3 PDFs are available, so we are going to select one by one. Simply click on the PDF, then press and hold Control key from your keyboard shortcut, and then you select these things. Okay, and then click on open. So friend, here you will see that we have 3 PDFs file is already over here, and we are going to merge all the PDF over here. Okay, you simply click on it and it will ask you to save. Okay, so here we are going to save the PDF file, merge page 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then click on the save button, and friend, here you will see that my all files are merged over here. Okay, so friend, this is the way where you can easily merge all the PDFs in a single PDF file. Okay, now we are going to edit PDF. Okay, so here we want to add picture over here. Okay, so how we can do that? You simply click on this add image option, and here we are going to select this one and simply click open. And friend, here you will see that when I hover the image, then I get orange marking box. Okay, you simply click on it and you will see my image is automatically putting there. Okay, if you want to move this file from one place to another place, you can do that like this, or you can resize this file very easily. Okay, here you can see that. So what I will do, I want to edit the text first, so I'm going to select this box, and what I will do, I will decrease the size of the text. Okay, and we are going to move, and I want to delete this text first, so select all the text and delete, or you can remove. Okay, and I want to add this image over here like this. Okay, so friend, you can see that I have added this image over here, and here you will see here the rotation option. You can rotate image like this. Okay, so simply you can click on this left, and this angle will change automatically, and this is the right angle, and you can also add rotation amount over here, so that will be automatically rotate your image. And here you will see left to right flip option and top to bottom flip option. Okay, so let's see left to right flip option. So you will see that this is now flipped, and I want to flip top to bottom, so simply click on it and you will see that this image is flipped from top to bottom. Okay, again click on it, so that will automatically do as it is. Now friend, you will see here the opacity option. If you want to add opacity, you can also add opacity like this, or you can simply give the 100% over here. Okay, here we are getting two things like tools option are available. If you want to replace another image, you can simply click on it and you will select another image, so that image will automatically replace over here. Okay, so friend, here you can see that this image is replaced automatically. Okay, so this is very easy tutorial. Today I am going to share with you about Systweak PDF Editor. Here you can easily also you can edit text over here. For example, here I am going to add heading. So here you can add heading 1 like that. Okay, and also you can change color over here. If you want to change color, you simply click on it, and also you can add formatting things. If you want to change the font name, here you can also change like this. If you want to add bold, regular, italic, you can all the things you can do over here like that. Okay, so here we are going to do that like this, and okay, you can see that actually I have added, and you can also move this text from bottom to top like this, and many options are available. You can change color and all, you can do that. Okay, if you want to add the custom color, you can simply click on this custom color, and here you will select another color, or you want more option in color, you simply click on this define custom color, and here you can select any color which you want. Okay, like this, you add color, then click on OK, and your color will change. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can use Systweak PDF Editor over here. Here we have added PDF, add images, and also we change the formatting of the text. Okay, so friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family. So if you want to buy this software, so here I am going to put the buy link in my description box, so there you can check it out. Okay, so friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family, so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.